Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter economic reform, that is impact of LPG liberalization, privatization, globalization policy on the Indian economy. The policy of economic reform is being followed for the more than 25 years. So now we can have the appraise or require the reader to understand the merit and demerit of this policy with reference to Indian economy. In this regard, the positive impact of LPG policy on different sector of economy is first economic growth. The growth rate of different sector of the economy is shown in the table given below. For the table, we see that the overall growth of GDP has been increased from 5.6% during the period of 1980-91 to 6.4% during the 92 to 2001, and further it increased 8% during 2016 and 17. Thus, it is clear that there is an increase in the growth rate after the introductions of reform. When we see the growth rate in different sector of the economy, we can find somewhat complex picture. The growth in agriculture remains stagnant in 3.6%, and in industrial sector it rose up 7.1% to 7.56% during the same period. On the other hand, growth rate in the service sector has registered impressive increase from 6.7% to 9.6%. It is thus clear that overall growth rate has been increased in the post-reform period. On the other hand, agriculture sector is not performing well, and there is a most increase in the performance of the industrial sector, but the performance of the service sector is quite increasing. We must not forget that service sector highly important, but they cannot be themselves assured a rapid and sustained growth of the Indian economy. Next, foreign investment, foreign exchange reserve. We find favorable effect of LPG policy on the foreign investment and foreign exchange reserve of the economy. Foreign investment include foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investment. Total foreign investment in India has increased from about $100 million in the 1991 to $36 million in 2015-16. During the 16 and 17, there were the net FDI inflow of $121.3 billion, and net portfolio inflow was $8.2 billion in the economy. Also, the foreign exchange reserve has been also increased from $6 million at the end of March 1991 to $371 billion in the year 2014 and 15. India is now begun to recognize as the emerging economic power in the world, and this has been give boost to the confidence of global investor in the Indian economy. Export sector, an important aim of reform measure was to boost export as well as facilitate development import. On the whole, it can be mentioned during the post-reform period in the situation pertaining foreign trade was satisfactory. Now, transition from monopoly to competitive market structure, introduction of LC have been result to significant shift in the nature of Indian market. And earlier product like car, AC service like telecommunications were monopoly market of selected brand only, but now privatization and globalization made Indian market competitive. Next, check on the fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit was high at 8.5% of the GDP prior to 1991. Due to the LPG policy, there has been significant increase in the government revenue. As a result, fiscal deficit has come down to around 4% of the GDP. Check of inflation. New policy also suggests in bringing down the rate of inflation, increase in production, tax reform, increase flow of goods in the economy, help in the keeping check on inflation. Annual inflation rate, which was high in 12.1%, has remained constant around 4-5% till 2007, and however rate of inflation started increasing again during the period 2011-14, and the 2017 WPI based average inflation stood 1.7%, whereas CPI based average inflation stood 4.5% during the same period. Thank you.